Good evening guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Umhlanga Rock, South Africa, where we are catching the golden hour at the breathtaking Umhlanga Rock's Lighthouse. So if you'd love to appreciate this lovely view and get a little background about the lighthouse, stay tuned as we take in the stunning views and learn about the history behind this iconic landmark. The Umhlanga Rocks Lighthouse is situated on the beautiful coast of Durban, South Africa. It is a magnificent red and white tower that has been standing tall for over 60 years. Its location is near the lovely Umhlanga Rocks beach, and its breathtaking views make it a must-visit attraction for locals and tourists alike. So let me allow you to enjoy this view. If you are still watching at this point, then you must be enjoying the content. Then I would really appreciate your support by hitting the subscribe button below. It might seem like a small gesture, but it means a lot and encourages me to keep creating more exciting content for you all. So thank you so much for your support.